Hello YouTube, we are here with UMAT3898, NS Smalls, and NS Scopes. I am NS Scopes. UMAT3898 would like to introduce himself now. Okay, besides that awkwardness, Smalls. Yeah, okay. And then we have our lovely friend Ben, who won't stop texting me. But anyways, okay, we are playing a game called White Noise Online, and it is a pretty fun game. It's like Slenderman, but basically we are. This is our introduction video of our channel, and we're gonna be playing GTA 5, Battlefield 4, and gaming computer maybe. I don't know. We're just gonna have a lot of stuff. But we will make an intro soon too. I know this video is not gonna have an intro, but this is basically our intro. We're gonna try to get one video up weekly, so yeah, that's basically.
I'm already good.
Okay, well, you look retarded, and he looks like Elvis, so. So basically, this like Slenderman, guys. We gotta find the 8 tapes, and there's this creepy monster who will pop out at us. Let's go down here. Yeah, hurry.
Yeah. and if you stop moving, he'll just grab your shoulder and.
No, but we haven't recorded auto, guys.
Yeah, our old channel was.
For me, this kind of seems
NS Gaming. We thought to just get restarted. I've never been in this one before. I've never seen it.
Why do I feel like it's where they made the atomic bomb in World War II?
Okay, so basically, guys, we gotta listen for the white fuzz noise.
The submarine.
Submarine. Submarine.
Go down the water.
No.
Oh.
Let's just listen for the white. Oh, I hear it.
Guys, don't leave me.
Oh, no, that's a green thing. That is his spawn. Those green things, that is his spawn. Guys, they are bad.
Guys, you left me.
We're coming back.
Aoura.
Oh God. All I see is a guy with a skeleton mask on.
Because he gets longer life. I don't like this room.
Why isn't there a tape in here? It's pretty big.
Oh, but I have a theory, and he's gonna be around this door. Let's.
I can't clear my throat. God damn it.
No, he's not here.
Let's go down here, and then he pops out.
Guys, RIP all headphone users that watch this video.
I need to plug mine out. Basically, anybody who's using headphones, want to turn down your volume a little bit.
Or if you refuse to turn down your volume, rest in peace.
Well, you might be dead
Just-
for the rest.
Okay, directions to watch this video. Turn your lights off. And there's another green thing. Thanks for putting on Nightmare. Alright, let's walk past it without looking at it. Okay, yeah, you will be, turn your lights off and, shut smallest dogs up, like punching them or something. Because they bark literally every single day.
Yeah,
Like
they
every
really do.
video that we record.
Yep.
They're just like, I want to be in the video. I want to be in the video. I'm like, no.
So,
to my doggy channel, it's doggy love, puppy love.
I hear it taping.
Coming from over here. Anime everywhere.
No.
Joe just like moonwalked backwards. Just like moonwalked. He was like,
Moonwalk.
no, literally, everybody moonwalked.
I swear it is like right here.
But where the hell? It's on the roof. It sounds like it's calling from this thing. Box. Then when you go up to it, it sounds like it's coming from over here. Behind this. You know, fuck it.
We'll have to come back and get it at some.
Yeah, if we survive that. Dun, dun,
You're
dun.
probably gonna sing the green thing.
No, pretty different sound.
Yeah, guys.
Emoji
So,
Dinosaur, I beat this one.
hopefully you guys will subscribe, like, and comment our vids, but otherwise, our old channel, our videos, and there's another thing. Our videos,
Said this way, there should be some
their sound
arrows.
levels were really messed up, but we're gonna restart this channel. We're gonna make some funny videos on Minecraft, all the games and stuff.
Yeah.
We're basically just gonna be a group. Most of the time we record, it's just gonna be me, Noah, and
There's a green
Smalls,
thing over there.
and then yeah. Funny video. This one's not gonna be funny, really, if you find it funny already, but hopefully it's a scary game. Man, it's scary.
Yeah, when we
I hear whispers. Also, we might do Call of Duty World at War. It's Flashback Fridays or something. I don't know. They're scary. The people from World at War. We have mods on World at War.
Wait, so I'm not the only one who's here.
Where you can make it so they scream.
And I am
It's very terrified to hear.
terrified.
Terrifying to hear. Okay, so I got in the library, guys. Let's go book shopping.
You guys, I'm gonna look for the Attack of the Baboons.
Hopefully there's no monsters trying to find books with us, you know.
Yeah, found Attack of the Baboons.
I hear another tape.
Yeah, this is a tape.
Got it. Now we're gonna start being attacked.
well, guys, it was good living.
Where'd you go?
It was just no one.
Oh, green thing. Nope. Hey,
Not
Baboon.
now.
Baboon, come over here. I heard there's chocolate.
Chocolate!
Now, if you just take a right, you know how we went left? If you take a right over there, there's chocolate.
Hey guys, I'll be back in a couple minutes.
There's chocolate and
Banana!
You do this without me. You do like this round without me.
okay, well, when the monster comes, we're just gonna let him in. That's okay.
Yeah, I'll kind of just stand here and be in the base.
Hopefully Noah didn't kill
Be back
himself.
in a
Okay, good. Alright, now let's just leave him. And let's run away as far as we can. Oh, baboon, I seen him. Oh my god. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. It's a bad idea.
He breathing on me. He breathing on me. Run!
Just keep running straight. You seen me. I seen him. You're gonna kill me.
Touched him.
Touched him. Appropriate. Alright. Let's go in here. You know, these metal lockers. He's definitely not in here. I never heard of a scary movie where there's metal lockers, bro. Like that's like a bully movie right there.
I've never seen a movie where these lockers would squish it.
Yeah, bro. Like all the doors would start opening, like paranormal activity, bro.
All the lights are starting to flicker.
That is a corner. Guys, this is a door. Just in case you didn't know. Smarticles.
If you look down, there's a
Oh look, we got a room with like medicine. Oh, there's another tape. There's another tape.
look on the tables.
Oh, come on. Oh. Hey, buddy. You okay? You okay, buddy? You okay? Yeah, he's okay. He told me.
Go! He tried to grab me. Go!
Turn off your flashlights and run with me, baboon. Run with me.
I can't run fast.
Run with me. You coming? Small's probably already dead. For all we know, he probably died from being alone. He died. Smalls died. Smalls died.
Get his dead body.
He turned to stun, baboon. He attacked him. You look so sad with the flashlight. Oh! Oh! Don't look behind you! Don't look behind you! Don't do it! Don't look behind you. Just keep running. He was near Smalls. I thought I heard a tape back. No, he's coming!
He grabbed me!
I hear him!
This is where we died last time.
Sure. I'm gonna turn up my sound holding power. Oh! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no. No. You shall not get me. Shall not get me. No, no, come back!
I'm in the middle of the room. I'm in the middle.
Come here, come here. Come here, come here. I hear a tape. There's a tape. It won't let me back here though. I hear him. I just saw him. Oh my god, I see him again. But there's a tape right here. So worth it. So worth it. Don't go that way. Go this way. Here, follow me. Go straight down here.
He just grabbed me.
You dead?
Ah!
Don't say he grabbed you unless you died. Say he almost. Oh no, that's green thing. I hear him. We already been here. Let's go back. Hey, over here. No, no, over here. You just walk. What? What? No! LaForge!
Huh?
How do I know that you're in my game? Oh, are you? No, you're not. No, you're not. Stop moving. Go back. back in the bookshelf room. What? What? How? What? It just said too dangerous to go alone, but okay. Which way, right or left?
Right. Wait, left is always the right way. Right is always the right.
Right,
But
be
if you
right.
take a right,
Oh, bad idea! You should have took the left. Should have took the left. Bet you these both weaved in the same one. Yep. If you just like walked into one with your head down.
turn left. Do not turn left.
What is that? He's in the door. I heard you. He's behind me.
Well, which way did you go, right or left?
No, I don't care. I went away from him. How PewDiePie does it, he puts like his heartbeat monitor on. Oh shit. Oh god. If I had a heartbeat monitor, you guys,
you would see it up to like 250.
be like, oh look, he's so calm. Plummet. I would like die besides backwards, like instead of my heartbeat dropping like excessively, it would go straight up.
Submarine room.
I don't care where I am, I'm in a hallway. That should help you, right?
Yeah.
Why is it so dusty in here? Look at all this shit. I'm at the prison cage. I remember there was a green thing.
Well,
We got 3 tapes so far.
guys, this is White Noise on.
Yeah, you guys should, it's only $1. They stopped at Microsoft points, at least for me.
Have them, I just
Yeah, it does that for me too. It's just like put the money instead.
I found the thing that he came in here on. UFO has like a green thing coming out of its eye. And then you have to come to this.
You guys can put in the comments how you like this game. Oh, I found small.
Been looking for stuff.
If you guys message us, we'll play with you. I had this new body. body will I be safe. Protect me, Smiles. He's already killed you. Noah, come to Smiles. I know where he is. He's by the middle locker.
I'm in the library. Am I close?
Oh no. I'm gonna head down here. I think this is dead. Yeah, you guys, if you sent us an invite, or not an invite, but like a message if you want to play with us, we'll probably respond to you, most likely. Want to play with us? If we're not that big, I'm sure we won't get fucking loaded with anybody. Oh shit, he came out of the corner.
Well,
I'm 3 out of 8. That's pretty good. But yeah, probably play with you since we have like no subs. Loneliness. But I always have the most screams, no matter what happens. Look at this top again. You're welcome.
like the
Replay. This is my favorite part. Seeing like
make.
what derp freaking misses we did. Ah, not looking very bad right now. Wow. We're exploring a lot, man. Look at this.
We're on the left. Okay, so Smalls is dead.
Smalls died.
Well, he's AFK, but he's
We went back there and saw him, and he was like dead.
We're like, Nordon! Oh. And he's like, la da 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 da.
How did we follow the exact path? You
I
big-
was so close to Smalls before you
I
died.
stayed at Smalls. I ran. He's right. You were coming around the corner right to Smalls.
Well, guys, that was white noise.
Well, that was a
mine.
23-minute video. I guess that's our introduction, guys. Well, basically our videos will range from around 15 to up to 25 minutes.
Unless it's a special video.
Yeah, probably. We're gonna try to keep it in that time range, but you know, might get carried away. But anyways, we're gonna try to start a Minecraft series on this. Do texture packs. Do Battlefield 4 vids. Maybe some Call of Duty. Yeah. GTA, obviously. But I love that GTA. But
We try to call ban again in the video.
no. Alright, well, what do you want to say? Noah, to say goodbye.
Goodbye in the future.
They don't know what baboons are yet, though. We baboons. Yeah, we are baboons. And it's just something we got off Minecraft. It's kind of an inside joke. But, yeah, so, subscribe, smack the like button, beat that like button up. See how many times you guys like to punch the like button. But, comment what your thoughts are if you want to play with us, you like the game. Anyways, this was our introduction video, and thank you for watching.